Hello guys, I am Rahul from Dhaka, Bangladesh and welcome to our YouTube channel arfashionbrand. Today I will show you our garments original branded surplus stock, factory and details. If you are new our channel, please subscribe and watch full video. Arfashionbrand is a leading garments surplus stocks buying house and garments manufacturer made in Bangladesh. Our company export all kinds of original branded surplus stock and manufacture most fashionable clothes of denim, woven, knit for our international buyers. Our new stocks are available in this video. So please watch full video and subscribe our channel arfashionbrand Bangladesh. You can contact us directly by phone call and WhatsApp for more information. Please call us WhatsApp or text for visit our factory, office, manufacturing order, branded surplus stock, price and more. Fabrics owns one of the most comprehensive and resourceful manufacturing facilities in our factory located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Arfashionbrand. Today we are working with many biggest branded companies in the world. Our company has rich history of almost 9 years in the garments buying house and manufacturing business. That is, today we involve into a company with deserved interests like printing, embroidery and labels of brand. This all started with a garments factory and buying house company since 2014. Our garments factory and buying house is a leading quality exporter of garments product in Bangladesh. The business activities of arfashionbrand: manufacturing, stock branded surplus selling, exporting, work with trustfully, leadership as friendly behavior with our all buyers. That's why we became a pioneer in apparel manufacturing company in Bangladesh. We export our garment surplus stock and we manufacture all kinds of apparel garments products. Our buyers location: we have many buyers from America, Canada, Brazil, France, Germany, Denmark, Australia, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, West Africa and many more countries. Arfashionbrand to be an sustainable and sourceful garments company.